Treat your feet with Tucketts Foot Care Spa Kit. This is an amazing kit. It starts with a massage ball that you can just massage on the bottom of your feet for as long as you want. Really soft and has little hard rubber nubs. Then you'll move on to the detoxifying charcoal scrub. This feels so nice. The sugar scrub part of it is really, really wonderful. Exfoliates your feet and just feels fabulous. Now you do need to wash that off, but once you do, you have very smooth, happy feet, and keep them happy with the Soothing Spa Foot Moisturizer. This is so emollient, really, really calming, and leaves your foot feeling so moisturized. And then you can wrap it up if you want with the toe separators. These help relax your feet and really are nice if you're putting your feet up for a while to relax. Happier feet start here with the Tucketts Foot Care Spa Kit, whether you have this for yourself or as a gift for someone special.